Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add an income transaction onto the Liquid Budget app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Liquid Budget application on your device, and after logging into your account, you will be taken into the budget page. From here, tap on the transactions option at the bottom right corner in order to add any transaction. Once you are inside this menu, make sure to tap on Inflow in order to set this as an income transaction. Now just enter the amount and also check alongside to see how much the input is actually registering. Now if the transaction happened on the actual date, then you don't need to make any changes to the date that is shown. Otherwise, you can tap on it to choose your desired date. You can then choose the account of this income transaction from the account menu as well as your payee. Now within the type section, you can leave it at income as everything else is the expense category. Now underneath you have the notes option. You can add any personal note if you wish. And after this, if the transaction has already cleared, tap on the cleared option to add this transaction to your income. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add an income transaction on the Liquid Budget app. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.